let's do an Everbilena haul! So, medyo napakita ko na pala kung ano yung first product from Everbilena, yung feature ko, and that is yung Everbilena Plus Everbalm. And it says here na it's antibacterial, moisturizing, and nourishing. And yeah, it is definitely a soothing balm kasi kakatry ko lang siya sa lips ko right now. And this only retailed for 150 kasi napadaan lang talaga kami dun sa event, dun sa gitna ng Trinoma Mall, dun sa may second floor. And nakita namin na meron din palang mga nakasale na mga Careline, Everbilena, also Spotlight Cosmetics. And I'm not sure kung hanggang kailan yon. But yeah, if you wanna catch that, maybe you wanna try catching it today. And then the next one would be